Hello you guys, what's up and welcome to my channel. Today I am doing a what we eat in a day, like a couple's what we eat in a day. My dog is whining. Sugar, no. What we eat in a day. Both of us work remote 9-to-5 jobs. I am off Mondays and Tuesdays. Today's Tuesday, so Cody's working today, but I am off. But I'm still gonna show you guys what we eat in like a normal day. Like even when I'm working, what I make for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Kind of do different lunches because his lunch is usually timed different than mine. I try to eat healthy just because if you've watched my previous videos, then you know that I have super sensitive skin and it's all about what I eat. So I try to eat healthier to combat that, acne. That is what I'm showing you guys today. First thing in the morning is always a pot of coffee, no matter what. So I make a pot of coffee and I try to like chug some water. My goal for every day is to drink a gallon of water. I have my Stanley cup, I think it's in the other room, but my goal is usually to drink between 3 to 4 of those a day, which is about a gallon. So I'm on my first one today. I did drink some water this morning like you saw. My first thing, what time is it? 9:30? Pretty soon I'm gonna make a smoothie for my breakfast, but I'm gonna film a little bit and then make it, and then we'll do lunch and snack and dinner, what I eat in a day. All right, it is a little bit later. I filmed a video, but I'm going to make my smoothie that I usually make for lunch. It's a little bit too early for lunch, but I'm making it for breakfast. So I use one of these. It's not a NutriBullet, but it's like an off-brand kind of NutriBullet. And we're gonna mix all our ingredients together. So I'll have it below so you can like get a full list detail what we're cooking. Okay, so we're gonna do a tablespoon of some MCT oil. We're gonna do half a tablespoon of MCT oil. I used to do a full tablespoon, but it like really changed the flavor of the smoothie. So, and then I'm doing a full tablespoon of chia seeds with the seeds. Now I do some mixed berries. You can honestly do any frozen fruit that you like. I just do berries and I do about 1/3 of a cup. Add a little bit more into it. I'm gonna take some spinach and do a pretty healthy heaping handful. Pack it in there. I'm gonna take some almond milk. This is unsweetened almond milk. And then I kind of just eyeball it. I really don't measure it. And soak it up. I'm gonna take some creamy unsalted almond butter from Trader Joe's. I also do 1/3 cup of water there. I just do a handful on the top, and then we just screw the top on. Okay. Screw it on there. And the seeds will always stick up here, so I try to mix it up good. Okay, I let it mix for a good amount of time. I'm gonna pour it into a cup. throw a straw in there. I got these from Target. It took me a really long time. Oh my gosh, I forgot my freaking protein. Okay, normally I put protein powder in this, but I completely forgot. Oh well, it's not the big deal. So normally I put in this protein powder. This is the chocolate version, but I also have the regular unsweetened. That's what I usually use, but this is unsweetened chocolate. And I do a scoop of this normally. I completely forgot to do that today, so that's my bad. But it took me kind of a long time to figure out the right measurements for my taste, to figure out what I like and what I don't like. So the first time I made this, I did way too much protein powder. I didn't put water or ice in it, and it was thick and gritty. It was not smoothie texture. It might take you like a week to figure out what you like in it, but once you do, this is a really good way to get like your greens and your fruit intake with some protein. I feel like this really has helped my skin a lot too. So I'm gonna finish this smoothie and then we will be back for lunch in a couple of hours. Hello and welcome back to lunch. It is almost 12:30 now, and I'm going to show y'all what I have been making for my lunches. Okay, so I've been making some brown rice pasta. Everything is from Trader Joe's. So this is the organic brown rice pasta. I'm going to heat some of this up. I'm going to fill up my pot. Okay, so we're going to heat up the water and get that boiling. And then I do about 2 handfuls of this pasta. I cook it with this. This is literally the best sauce ever from Trader Joe's. It's the creamy tomato basil pasta sauce. So I'll pour some onto that with some light mozzarella. And then I pop that in the microwave for another minute to get that melted and to cook the sauce. So we're gonna let that water boil and then we will get the pasta cooking. I will say, if there's one thing that you need to know about me, it's that I always have to snack. I'm eating Trader Joe's grain-free tortilla chips. They're a must. And then there's salsa authentic. So good. So I'm gonna eat a snack while I wait for my food to cook because I'm impatient. Okay, now that our pasta's done, I'll drain it and I leave like a little bit of pasta sauce to mix in with the regular sauce. So I'm gonna pour it in the bowl. Then I'm gonna take that creamy tomato basil and pour some on top. Okay, then I'm gonna sprinkle some mozzarella on top. Okay, give a little bit to sugar. I'm gonna mix it up with the cheese and the sauce. And then we're gonna microwave this for a minute. All right, so we've got it out of the microwave. I'm gonna dress it a little bit with some garlic salt that I'm almost out of. Just a tad bit left. And then my favorite is the red pepper chili flakes from Trader Joe's to add some spice, and there you have it. With my pasta for lunch, I'm gonna have a sparkling apple cider vinegar strawberry lemonade drink from Trader Joe's. I bought extra in there if you want any.
Extra what?
Of these, so you can have some.
I wasn't too crazy about them last time you got it.
No. So I'm gonna watch the Kardashians while I eat my pasta. Cody and I are home from workout. I'm eating a couple of these plantain chips drizzled with dark chocolate. They're good, but the plantain chip like flavor overpowers the dark chocolate. I really like Lay's potato chips drizzled with dark chocolate. And I'm gonna cook some dinner. I'm making a recipe that I saw on TikTok that is orange chicken from Trader Joe's with some salad, rice, and broccolinis on top. So if you're not aware, Trader Joe's has this orange chicken. We don't make this often because, I mean, it's not necessarily the healthiest for you, but it's super easy to make. You really just follow the instructions on the bag. So you're gonna take out the sauce packet, which comes with 2. And then it says to heat a 1/4 cup of cooking oil. I'm just gonna bloop. And then add chicken. There we go. Cook 8 to 10 minutes. So let's cover her up. I will set an alarm for 10 minutes. Okay, to go with the orange chicken, I'm gonna heat up some of this brown rice from Trader Joe's. I just heat this up in the microwave for 3 minutes. Okay, the orange chicken is pretty much done. I didn't put all of the orange sauce. I did like a package and a half. Also, to go with the orange chicken, I'm doing some of this baby broccolini. I'm just gonna heat it up in a bowl and we're gonna pop it in the microwave because that's really the only way I know how. Pour some water on it so that it has something to steam. I'm gonna do like a minute for now and then we'll check on it. Last thing that's gonna go like on the bottom of this is this southwestern chopped salad. This is gonna be kind of the base of underneath the orange chicken, and then we're also gonna have rice. So we're gonna kind of do like a orange chicken salad, make it a little bit healthier. So I've got the salad mixed together. From what I could tell on TikTok, she did like some salad, probably a lot of salad, but oh well. And then I'm gonna do some rice. It's like they've gotten a little crispy, but that's okay. I'm gonna add that on top of the rice. I'm gonna do some of that broccolini on the side. Okay, and there we have it.